Hello, everyone. I'm going to record 1001 Perfect Marks 5A. Today we are going to talk about how to use a rotating shaft to mark a ring. First we open SCAD. Click here to import the image you want to mark. Resize the image and select Fill. Turn off the check mark for the default parameter on the right and change the switch delay to -300. You can also set your parameters at this point. Click on the Split Mark 2 in the laser. Select Forced Split and All Global Split. Set the partition size to 0.1. Click Parameters. Select X, Y, Z for ID based on your actual situation. I've chosen the Y-axis here. This parameter depends on the orientation of your rotation axis. Change the number of pulses per revolution to 12,800. Change the speed to 5,000. Pivot hook on. The value of the workpiece diameter is filled in according to the actual situation you want to mark. Click OK. Click Exit. Click the laser again. Click the rotation angle marker 2. Deselect processing. Select the total number to change the marking item on a circle to mark the number of patterns. Then you can click red line and mark. So we've got a ring with a pattern all the way around. What else would you like to mark? Please leave a comment in the comment section.